Hello everyone, welcome back to University Study Guide YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss about one of the recent notifications from IIT Goa about the PhD admission notifications for the full-time and the part-time program for the year of 2021 and 2022. So the last date for this admission process or the application process will be 15 June 2021. So before that, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the latest notifications about our upcoming videos on University Study Guide YouTube channel, and you can also visit our website universitystudyguide.com for more updates. So let us visit the notifications that has come out from the IIT Goa about the PhD admissions in the autumn semester of academic year 2021 and 2022. So these are the two advertisements as you can see for the full-time and the part-time PhD programs. If I'll click on this, I'll go to this page. So let us see the page from the begin. So this notification is for the autumn semester of academic year 2021 and 2022. It's the PhD regular or full-time program you can see. So applications are invited for the admissions to the PhD program for the academic year 2021 or 2022 starting from September 2021. So candidates from reserved categories, residents of Jammu and Kashmir and women are encouraged to apply. So what will be the minimum eligibility criteria? Let us see. So general eligibility criteria for the engineering streams. For the general OBC, NCL, EWS categories, master's degree in engineering or technology or equivalent degree with minimum of 60% mark or the CGPA having 6.0 on a scale of 10 can apply, or the BTech or MSc in Engineering Technology equivalent degree in a minimum of 70% mark in aggregate of minimum CGPA or CPA of 7.0 on a scale of 10 can apply. So let us see what is the eligibility criteria for SC, ST and PWD candidates. So it will be the same, that is the Master of Engineering Technology or equivalent degree with a minimum of 55% mark or the CGPA or CPA of 5.5 on the scale of 10, or having BTech or MSc in Engineering Technology or equivalent degree with a minimum of 65% mark on the CGPA of 6.5 on the scale of 10. So for the IIT, BTech or MTech degree holders, candidates having a test qualifying degree, that is BTech or MTech degrees from IIT with a CGPA or CPA score of 8 on a scale of 10 or above may be admitted to the PhD program under the TA or TAP positions through written test or the interview directly. So let us see what are the general eligibility criteria for the science stream. So these are the eligibility criteria for the engineering streams. Now let us see criteria for the science streams. So there will be two categories of PhD they are offering. One is for engineering stream and another will be science stream. So it will be the same master's degree in science or equivalent degree with a minimum of 60% mark for the general categories, general or OBC categories with a CGPA of 6.0 and the scale of 10, and for the SC/ST it will be same and the minimum marks will be 55% or the CGPA of 5.5 on the scale of 10. So the candidates must have cleared GATE in the relevant streams mandatory for applying the PhD programs in the School of Electrical Science, or the Junior Research Fellow of JRF or CSIR, UGC, NB, HM or DBT, ICAR, ICMR. So like this, the fellowships in the relevant streams are required. Minimum of 2 years of professional experience is also required. The details you can check here, the criteria. So let us see what are the area of specializations the PhD are offered. So one will be the first will be School of Chemical and Material Science. So chemistry will be the first topic and the material science will be second topic. So there you can check. And for the electrical sciences, there you can check the topics. Communications and signal processing. It is applicable for SC/ST categories only. So general categories may not apply for this. So signal processing, computational imaging, wireless communication, error correcting course can apply. So School of Mathematics and Computer Science, you can check the topics here. Okay, and School of Mechanical Science. So there you can check the topics. So let us see what are the science, that is the physical science, as I have told you. So there you can check the topics. So what will be the schedule of PhD admission? The schedule for the written exam or interview will be informed to the shortlisted candidates via email. So once you qualify, uh, so once the management selects you, they will inform you or shortlist you and inform you through email. So candidates required to apply online only. No downloadable forms are available. So there will be an online link like this. If you click on this, so there will be the form we can see. So let us see what are the details. So there will be registration as a new user registration or existing user registration like this. So once you register for the once you are going to register for the first time, then you click on this register. After this, once you have already applied for or fill up this form, then you can come back this form and log in using this ID and password. Now let us see what are the fees, application fees. So female candidates need to pay 50 rupees, SC/ST candidate need to pay 50 rupees, all other candidates need to pay 100 rupees. So you can pay the fee by NEFT or RTGS online payment systems to this bank account. So this bank account details are given in this notifications. Once you click on this, you can check it. So let us see what are the other requirements to apply. Candidates are required to fill the details as per given in the form. So candidates are required to upload the recent passport size photograph, maximum of 200 KB, scanned copy of signature, and the detailed CV. Along with that, you need to also send the mark sheet as per the eligibility, and the CV. You should mention the projects completed during your bachelor's and master's. Awards or recognition you have received, you need to mention in the CV. The system will not allow you to submit the applications without filling the payment details. Please fill the payment details carefully. See the corresponding sections. Once you filled, cannot be edited. After filling all the details, please review it before submission. After the final submission, the system will not allow any further editing. So you need to be very careful on this for while applying the applications. And the IIT Goa will provide you off-campus hostel accommodation to all the PhD candidates. So for the academic query, please note down this mail ID. You can mail to this mail. For any technical issue, please write to this mail. For so there are two emails are given. For the academic query, mail to this mail ID, and for the technical issue, please mail to this mail ID. So this is all about the full-time notifications, full-time PhD notification that has come out by the IIT Goa. So let us see what is the part-time program that is offered. So let us see. So what are the area of specialization that is being offered? That is School of Electrical Sciences, School of Mechanical Science. So there will be two categories under which we can apply for the part-time program. So here there is no, I think no scope for the science candidates. So let us see uh, what are the eligibility criteria for the general OBC, NCL EWS candidates. Master degree in engineering technology or equivalent degree with a minimum of 60% mark or CGPA having 10 can apply. A minimum 2 years of experience at the time of application you need to have. The candidates from the recognized research and development organizations institutes can avail a 1 year relaxation on in the minimum required work experience. The bachelor's candidates in engineering technology or equivalent degree with a minimum of 60% mark in aggregate with a minimum of CGPA 6.0 on the scale of 10 can apply. A minimum, and along with this it is and so here is also you need to have 2 years of experience, and here you need to have, along with this educational qualification, you need to have 4 years of work experience at the time of application. MTechs in engineering technology or equivalent degree with a minimum 60% mark or CGPA having 6 can apply. That is the aggregate from IIT, IISc or IIT, IIS, NIT or equivalent kind of institutions can apply. So like this, along with this, a minimum 1 year of work experience at the time of application also given. Check. But so the schedule for the written examination and interview will be informed you. Shortlisted candidates will be informed to the shortlisted candidates by email only. So you need to put your email while registering uh, your form. You'll get all the notifications in your email. So let us see what is the application fee. It is like the same, 50 rupees for the female. SC/ST it is 50. Other candidates it is 100. Bank account details is also given like that. All the things are same like the full-time program. You need to put your all the scanned copy of signature, scan photograph, detailed CV. The CV must mention projects completed during your bachelor's and master's, any awards or recognition you have received. Everything you need to put in your CV while applying. So like this, you can check the instructions. It is also mentioned that IIT Goa also provide the off-campus hostel accommodation to all the PhD candidates. So there will be two email IDs are also given. So this is one of the letter format that is given, employer's letter to be submitted to the letterhead. Like if you are working somewhere, so your employer will issue this letter to the IIT, and you need to have the required authorized signatures with the stamp and the seal. So this is a sponsored letter to be submitted in the letterhead of the employer. So this letter is supposed to be printed in a letterhead of your organization, and then it is to, and you need to have a scan copy of this and you can submit it. This is for the sponsored uh, programs. So this is all about the two notifications that has come out from the IIT Goa, and here is the last date, that is 15 June 2021. So if you are interested to apply this PhD programs for the full-time, or you can choose the part-time program. You can apply for it. Just click on this link. You will open this page. Register on this. Once you register, like full name, last name, email ID, everything is mentioned here. Okay, you can check it and submit. So this, like this, you can visit the all the details. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that all the future notifications you'll get. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who want to apply or who are preparing for the PhD programs. Thank you very much.